Hello everyone, welcome to Biology Tutorial Hub channel. We are going to do quiz on the tools of a biologist and parts of microscope. የዘጠነኛ ክፍል ነው ዛሬ on the tool of biologist and part of microscope በሚለው ታይትል ላይ ጥያቄዎችን እንሰራለን። በጣም ደረጃቸውን የጠበቁ አሪፍ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ተራ ጥያቄዎች አይደሉም። ስለዚህ ተማሪዎች ሼር፣ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉት። ለስራውተኛ ክፍል ተማሪዎች ቅድም እንደተናገርኩት አሁንም ይሄ ቪዲዮ በጣም ነው የሚጠቅማችሁ ከዘጠነኛ ክፍል ተማሪዎች በተጨማሪ ለማለት ፈልጌ ነው። Good, let us move to the question. Question number 1. Which laboratory tool is used to sterilize materials like culture media using high temperature pressured steam? A. Incubator. B. Autoclave. C. Hot plate. D. Bunsen burner. Which one is the correct answer? Which tool is important to sterilize material? Yes, using what? High temperature and pressurized steam with high boiling water. Yes, which one is the correct answer? Is that autoclave or incubator, hot plate or Bunsen burner? Good. The correct answer is autoclave. Autoclave is important for sterilization. Using what? High pressure of steam water. So materials or laboratory materials enter into this steam water with high boiling point, then that materials can be sterilized. Incubator, it is important to maintain temperature. Hot plate, this is important for sterilization but using heat. Bunsen burner, also important for sterilization using flame. So the correct answer is B. Question number 2. What is the primary purpose of an autoclave? A. To magnify small objects. B. To measure pH. C. To sterilize, killing microorganisms or biological samples. D. To incubate culture. Which one is the correct answer? What the primary purpose of an autoclave? From the given alternatives. To magnify small object, to measure pH, to sterilize biological sample, and to incubate culture. Which one is the correct answer? Good, I think you got the answer. The correct answer is T. The purpose of autoclave is to sterilize biological samples. To magnify small object, ምንድነው? ማይክሮስኮፕ ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም ሃንድሌስ ሊሆን ይችላል። To measure pH meter ነው የሚባለው. To incubate culture is incubator. So the correct answer is C. That is the primary purpose of autoclave. To sterilize biological samples. Good. Question number 3. What's the primary function of incubator in biological lab? A. To accurate with specimen. B. To measure a specific temperature for growing microorganisms. C. To melt elements at very high temperature. D. To sterilize equipment with an open flame. Which one is the correct answer regarding the function of incubator? Which one is the correct answer? Yes. I think all of you got the answer. Primary function of incubator is to maintain the specific temperature for growing microorganisms. በ20 ዲግሪ ሴልሺየስ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ በ30 ሊሆን ይችላል፣ በ25 ላይ ቴምፕሬቸሩ ሜንቴን ይደረጋል። ከዛ ባክቴሪያዎች እዛ ውስጥ ያድጋሉ። that is the primary function of incubator. To accurately weight specimen ለመለካት የምንጠቀምበት ባላንስ ነው የሚባለው። To melt elements at very high temperature ይሄ ክሩሲብል ነው የሚባለው። To sterilize equipment with open flame ቅድም ተደግባችሁ Bunsen burner ነው ለዲ። ስለዚህ ለዚህኛው ጥያቄ ትክክለኛው መልስ B ነው regarding incubator. Good. For question number 4, a biologist wants to grow a large population of microorganisms in liquid bronze media. Which piece of glassware would be most suitable? A. Petri dish. B. Flask. C. Crucible. D. Glass slide. We find the correct answer, which is important for growing a large population of microorganisms using what? In liquid medium. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Flask is the correct answer. This is a biological tool which is important to grow large population of microorganisms in liquid medium. This petri dish use solid medium, and crucible is important to melt substance. So the correct answer for question number 4 is B, flask. Good. Question number 5. To observe the shape of a virus, which type of microrganism would be necessary? A, simple light microscope. B, hand lens. C, compound light microscope. D, electron microscope. Which one is the correct answer in order to see or observe the shape of a virus? I think this question is simple. The correct answer is D, electron microscope. Virus is only seen by electron microscope. Using compound light microscope or simple light microscope, we cannot observe the shape of virus. The correct answer is D. Question number 6. If a scientist needs to pick up a heated or hot object like crucible, which tool should they use? Yes, A, forceps. B, tongs. C, spatula. D, dropper. To pick up what? Heated or hot object. እዚህ በጣም ሆት የሆኑትን ነገሮች ለማንሳት ላብራቶሪ ውስጥ የምንጠቀምበት ላብራቶሪ ቱል ምን በመባል ይታወቃል? Yes? The correct answer is B, tongs. Tongs are important to pick up heated or hot objects like crucible. Yes? forceps ለማንሳት ተጠቀምበታለን፣ ነገር ግን ሆት ኦብጀክቶችን አይደለም። ስፔቱላ ሚክስ ለማድረግ ነው። ሳብስታንሱን ሚክስ ለመደባለቅ ለማማሰል ነው ስፔቱላ የምንጠቀመው። ድሮፐር ደግሞ ሶሉሽኖችን ድሮፕ ባይ ድሮፕ የሆነ ቦታ ላይ ትራንስፈር የምናደርግበት ነው ድሮፐር። So the correct answer to pick up heated and hot objects known as tong. The correct answer is B. Question number 7. Which of the following is considered a field tool, not a laboratory tool? A, beaker. B, pH meter. C, insect net. D, autoclave. ላብራቶሪ ቱል ያልሆነ ነገር ግን ፊልድ ቱል የሆነ ከነዚህ ውስጥ ማለት ነው። ፊልድ ላይ የምንጠቀመው ጫካ ውስጥ የምንጠቀምበት መሳሪያ ሁለት አይነት ቱሎች አሉ፣ ላብራቶሪ ቱል እና ፊልድ ቱል። So which one is the field tool? Good. The correct answer is C, insect net. Insect net, bird net, fish net, GPS, binocular. These are what? Field tools. They are not laboratory tool. So the correct answer for question number 7 is C, insect net. All the others are laboratory tools. Good. Question number 8. What's the function of dissecting pan? A, to hold all the tools needed for dissection. B, to heat the specimen before dissection. C, to hold the specimen while it is being dissected. D, to magnify the internal organ. Which one is the correct answer? What's the function of dissecting pan? Dissect pan. ሳህን አለ፣ ዳይሴክት ፓን አለ። ለምን ተጠቀምበት ላብራቶሪ ውስጥ? That hold all the tools needed for dissection. That to heat the specimen before dissection. The correct answer is C, to hold the specimen while being dissected. Dissect የምናደርገው ሮደንት ሊሆን ይችላል፣ አይጥ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ በርድ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ፍሮግ ሊሆን ይችላል። ያንን ዳይሴክት የምናደርገውን ነገር የምናስቀምጥበት ፓን ወይም ሳህን ማለት ታውቃል፣ ዳይሴክቲንግ ፓን ይባላል። So the correct answer is C. Good. Question number 9. A scientist needs to add a solution to a reaction one amount of drop at a time. Which tool is best suited for this work? A, flask. B, dropper. C, washing bottle. D, beaker. Yes, look the question. Scientists need to add a solution to a reaction one amount of drop at a time. So which tool is suited for this task? Is that flask? Is that dropper, washing bottle, or beaker? Which one is the correct answer? So the correct answer is B, dropper. Dropper is a laboratory tool which is important to add a solution to reaction one amount a drop. It may be 1 drop, it may be 2 drop, it may be 3 drop, it may be 4 drop, depending upon your need. You can add a solution drop by drop. That tool, that laboratory tool is known as dropper. Dropper. Flask እንደምታወት ባክቴሪያ የምናሳድግበት ነው ብለናል። to grow bacteria. washing bottle rinse የምናደርግበት ነው። የላብራቶሪ ማቴሪያሎች የምናጥብበት ነው። በኋላ በውስጡ ዲስቲል ወተር የምናጥብበት washing bottle። beaker solution የምናዘጋጅበት ነው። make solution, that is beaker. So the correct answer is B, Good. Question number 10. Which type of microscope uses a beam of electrons and electromagnets? A. Simple light microscope. B. Compound light microscope. D. Hunt lens. D. Electron microscope. Type of microscope, that's what? Beam of electrons and electromagnets. It's a microscope. Which is the correct answer? Good. Think you got the answer. The correct answer is D. Electron microscope. Electron microscope use beam of electrons and electromagnets. እንደዚህ ነው የሚጠቀመው። ሌሎች ማይክሮስኮፖች እነዚህ ኮምፓውንድ እና ሲምፕል ላይት ማይክሮስኮፕ እና ኮምፓውንድ ላይት ማይክሮስኮፕ እንደሚጠቀሙት ላይት እና ሌንስ ነው የሚጠቀሙት። ኤሌክትሮን ማይክሮስኮፕ ግን ሌንስ አይጠቀምም፣ ላይት አይጠቀምም። ኤሌክትሮን ማይክሮስኮፕ የሚጠቀመው beam of electrons and electromagnets ነው የሚጠቀመው። So the correct answer for question number 10 is D. Question number 11. What is the total magnification of a compound light microscope calculated? Or how is the total magnification of a compound light microscope is calculated? A. By adding the magnification of eyepieces and the objective lens. B. By dividing the magnification of objective lens by the eyepieces. C. By multiplying the magnification of eyepieces and the objective lens. D. By using only the magnification of objective lens. Yes? How is the total magnification of a compound light microscope is calculated? The correct answer is what? Total magnification. እንዴት ነው የምታገኙት? of a light microscope ምን ካልኩሌት በማድረግ ነው? ዛት ባይ በመደመር በማካፈል ነው? በማባዛት ነው? ወይስ magnification of objective lens ብቻ ነው መጠቀም ነው? The correct answer is what? C. So total magnification of a compound light microscope is calculated by multiplying the magnification of eyepieces and the objective lens. The eyepieces magnification power አለ፣ የobjective lens magnification power አለ። ሁለቱም በማባዛት ነው የምናገኘው total magnification power of a compound light microscope. Good. So the answer is C for question number 11. Good. Question number 12. If a microscope has 10 times eyepieces and you are using the 40 times objective lens, what is the total magnification? A. 10 times. B. 400 times. C. 50 times. D. 4,000 times. How can you calculate total magnification? Question number 11 ላይ yes multiplication yes 10 times 40 become what 400 10 ሲባዛ በ40 ማባዛ ነው ዝም ብሎ 400 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። The correct answer is B. Good. Question number 13. Which part of microscope hold objective lens and can be rotated to change magnification? A. Eyepiece tube. B. Body tube. C. R. D. Nose pieces. Which part of microscope hold objective lenses? አስሮ ያዘና and can be rotated to change magnification. አንድ ማይክሮስኮፕ ብዙ ኦብጀክቲቭ ሌንሶች ሊኖሩ ይችላል፣ 2 3 ወይም 4 እነሱን ሮቴት ይደረጋሉ። ይሄን ሮቴት የሚያደርገው የማይክሮስኮፕ ፓርት ምን በባ ይታወቃል? ዛት pieces tube, ዛት body tube or nose pieces. Which part of microscope holds objective lens and can be rotated changing of magnification? Good. The correct answer is D. Nose pieces is the part of microscope that holds the objective lens and it's important to rotate to change magnification. So D is the correct answer. Good. Question number 14. What's the function of diaphragm on microscope? What's the function of diaphragm or what's the function of iris on a microscope? A. To hold the slide in a place. B. To connect eyepieces to objective lenses. D. To control the amount of light that reaches the specimen. D. To bring the specimen into general focus. What's the function of diaphragm or iris from the given alternative? The correct answer? I think you got the answer. The correct answer is C. To control the amount of light that reaches the specimen. This is the function of diaphragm. Yes, the amount of light should be what? Controlled. It should not be too much or too low. So the amount of light should be controlled. And this is happened by the part of microscopes known as diaphragm. So diaphragm is important to control the amount of light that reaches the specimen. To hold the slide in place, ስላይዱን ፕሌስ የሚይዘው ስቴጅ ክሊፕ ይባላል። ክሊፕ ትባላለች። ስላይዱን የሚይዘው ክሊፕ ይባላል። ሌላኛው to connect eyepieces to objective lens, eyepieces knob ይባላል። To bring the specimen into general focus, ይሄ coarse adjustment knob ነው የሚባለው። So the correct answer for question number 14 is C. Good. So the function of diaphragm የሚገባውን light control ማድረግ ነው የdiaphragm ወይም ears function. Good. Question number 15. Which adjustment knob is first to bring specimen into general first focusing? A. Fine adjustment knob. B. Coarse adjustment knob. C. Illuminator knob. D. Stage control knob. Which one is the correct answer? Which adjustment knob used first to bring the specimen into general or initial focusing? That's what I'm Which knob will you use? Fine adjustment knob? Is that coarse adjustment knob? Illuminator knob? Stage control knob? Good. I think you got the answer. The correct answer is B. Coarse adjustment knob. Coarse adjustment knob is important to use at the first time to bring the specimen into general or first or initial focusing. ሁል ጊዜ አንድ ነገር ለማየት ስፔስማን ለማየት መጀመሪያ የምንጠቀመው adjustment knob ማን ነው? coarse adjustment knob ነው የምንጠቀመው። So coarse adjustment knob is used in order to general focusing, initial focusing or first focusing. Fine adjustment knob በጣም ዲቴይል ለማየት ነው። sharp ኢሜጁን ለማየት ነው ፋይን አድጀስትመንት ነው። ስለዚህ መጀመሪያ የምንጠቀመው ግን ኮርስ አድጀስትመንት ነው ብለው ጀነራል ፎከስ እናደርጋለን። ከዛ ወደ እንሄዳለን። በጣም በጥልቀት ሻርፕ በዲቴይል ለማየት ስንጠቀም ደግሞ በምንጠቀማለን በፋይን አድጀስትመንት ነው ብንጠቀማለን። So the correct answer for question number 15 for this question is coarse adjustment knob. Good. Question number 16. What's the primary difference between a monocular and binocular microscope? Good. It is found in your textbook. መጽሐፋችሁ ላይ አለ። A monocular use light and binocular use electrons. Good. B. A monocular has one objective lens and a binocular has two. C. A monocular has one eyepiece and a binocular has two. D. A monocular is for labs and a binocular is for field work. Which one is the correct answer? What's the difference between monocular and binocular microscope? monocular ከምን ጋር የሚገናኘው? The correct answer is what? C. A monocular has one eyepiece and a binocular has two eyepieces. monocular ከተባለ አንድ eyepiece ነው ያለው። binocular ከተባለ eyepieceዎቹ ሁለት ናቸው። So the correct answer is C for question number 16. Good. Question number 17. Which part of microscope supports the slide being viewed? A. Base. B. Arm. C. Stage. D. Nose pieces. Yes. Which part of microscope support what? The slide. Slide support የሚያደርገው የትኛው ነው? Support slide. The correct answer is what? Support slide. Slide የምታስቀምጡበት ምንድን ነው የሚባለው? That's known as stage. The correct answer is C. Stage. Stage is important to support the slide in order to view it. So stage is the correct answer for question number 17. ቤዙ ጠቅላላ ማይክሮስኮፕን ሰፖርት ነው የሚያደርገው። ጥያቄው እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው? ስላይድ ነው። ስላይዱን ሰፖርት የሚያደርገው ጥያቄው። ስለዚህ መልሱ ስቴጅ ነው። ማይክሮስኮፕን ሰፖርት የሚያደርገው ጠቅላላ ብትባሉ ቤዝ ነበር። So the correct answer ጥያቄው ምንድነው? To support the slide, the correct answer is C. Question number 18. The lenses that are used to collect and focus light from the illuminator into the specimen are called A. Objective lenses, B. Oculars, C. Condensers, D. Diaphragms. Which lens is used to collect and focus the light from the illuminator, from the light source into the specimen? Which one is the correct answer? Light and collect የሚያደርገው specimen የሚያመጣው ማን ነው? Objective lens ነው? Ocular ነው? Condenser or diaphragm? Good. The correct answer is condensers. Condensers are lenses that are used to collect and focus the light from the illuminator into the specimen. Objective lens ነው? Ocular እነዚህ magnification ነው ስራቸው። ማግኒፋይ ማድረግ ነው። ዳያፍራም ይሄ ላይትን ኮንትሮል ማድረግ ነው። ሶ ትክክለኛው መልስ ሲ ነው። Condensers are important to collect and focus light from the illuminator into the specimen. Good. Question number 19. What's the function of cover slip on a microscope slide? Select all that apply. There are 5 alternatives. So which one is the correct answer? You can select 2 or more alternatives. A, to magnify the specimen further. B, to protect the specimen from additional chemicals or dirt. C, to protect the microscope lens. D, to prevent slide from drying out. E, to sterilize the specimen. So which one is the function of cover slip? Yes, what's cover slip? Microscope slide አለ። ስላይድ ምንድነው? ማይክሮስኮፕ ስላይድ ስፔሲመን የምታዩበትን የምታስቀምጡበት ነው። የሽንኩርት ልጫ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ደም ሊሆን ይችላል። እሱን የምታስቀምጡበት ይባላል ስላይድ ይባላል። እንደገና ስላይዷ በሌላ ትሸፈናለች። ያን የምትሸፍነው የምትባላለች ከቨር ስሊፕ ይባላል። ለምንድን ነው የሚሸፈነው? ለምንድን ነው በከቨር ስሊፕ የሚሸፈነው? ሶ የከቨር ስሊፕ ስራው ምንድን ነው? yes So the correct answer is B and D, to protect the specimen from additional chemicals or dirt and to prevent the slide from drying out. This is the reason why we cover the microscope slide with cover slip. So this cover slip is important for these two purposes: to protect the specimen from additional chemicals or dirt and to prevent the slide from drying out. Good. Question number 20. Illumination oil should only be used which objective lens? A, 4 times. B, 40 times. C, 10 times. D, 100 times. Illumination oil should only be used which objective lenses? የትኛው objective ነው illumination oil የምንጠቀመው? Is that lower power objective? Is that highest power objective or middle power objective? የትኛው እንጠቀመው? Illumination test in order to sharp image. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is D, 100 times. So illumination oil should only be used with 100 objective lenses. Thank you. Question number 21. When first placing a slide on the microscope stage, which objective lens should start focusing? A, the highest power objective. B, the 40 times objective. C, the lower objective power objective. D, it doesn't matter. Yes, the first placing. ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ማይክሮስኮፕ ስንታወት በየትኛው ነው ስታርት የምታደርጉት? በሃይስት ፓወር ኦብጀክቲቭ ነው? በሎወር ፓወር ኦብጀክቲቭ ነው? ወይ በ40 ታይምስ ኦብጀክቲቭ ነው? ወይም ምንም በማንኛውም ማየት ትችላላችሁ። Which is the correct answer? At first placing, or to start focusing, to begin focusing, which objective lens should you use? Or you will begin focusing? The correct answer is C, the lowest power objective. መጀመሪያ ስታዩ አንድ ነገር በማይክሮስኮፕ ኦብጀክቲቭን ሎወር ፓወር ኦብጀክቲቭ ነው ማድረግ ያለባችሁ። ከዛ እያላችሁ ነው ወደ 40፣ ከዛ እያላችሁ ወደ 100 ትሄዳላችሁ። ስለዚህ መጀመሪያ ስታርት የምታደርጉት ቢገን የምታደርጉት ከ4 ታይምስ ነው from lower objective power objective lens. Good. Question number 22. Which objective should be positioned over the stage when storing the microscope? A, the highest power objective used. B, the 10 times objective. C, the 4 times objective. D, the oil imaging objective. Yes, which objective should be positioned over the stage when storing the microscope? ሰራችሁ ስራችሁን ጨረሳችሁ ከዛ በኋላ ማይክሮስኮፕን የምታስቀምጡት በየትኛው ኦብጀክቲቭ አድጀስት አድርጋችሁ ነው? ኦብጀክቲቭ ሌንስ the highest objective lens 100 times, 10 times objective lens, 4 times objective, or the oil imaging objective? ማይክሮስኮፕ ጨርሳችኋል ስራችሁን ማይክሮስኮፕን ወደ ቦታው ትመለሳላችሁ። እንዴት ነው የምታደርጉት? በየትኛው ነው ኦብጀክቲቭ ፖዚሽን ነው የምታስቀምጡት? The correct answer is C, the 4 times objective, or lower it to the lowest position when you put your microscope, when you store your microscope after you finish your activity. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this video for more biology tutorials. share አድርጉት፣ ላይክ አድርጉት። የተለያዩ ቪዲዮዎችን እንሰራላችኋለን። ስለዚህ ኮሜንታችሁ በጣም አስፈላጊ ነው። Thank you for your watching.